Okay guys, welcome back to my cooking and vlogging channel. I know it's been a while, but today we're gonna make a Ital dish with ackee. So here I'm gonna show you the ingredients. See, first we have the jasmine rice, we have a tin of ackee, we're gonna use a tin of coconut milk, we have a piece of pumpkin, 1 carrot, Jamaican green scotch bonnet pepper, and we're gonna use a piece of Jamaican yellow scotch bonnet pepper, green red bell pepper. We have the onion here as well. We have the red bell pepper. We have the okra. We have thyme. And we have the scallion. And we have this coconut milk. You can get it at a Joe supermarket, even a ShopRite. So here are all the ingredients, you guys. So we're gonna get right into it. Alright guys, so right here I have 3 peg of garlics and a piece of thyme to begin. Here the pot start boiling up. Yeah man. And right here guys, I'm gonna put the carrots and pumpkin inside the pot. So 3 peg of garlic, the pumpkin and the carrot and a piece of thyme so far. So right now guys, I'm gonna add the coconut milk and I'm gonna add the ackee, and I'm gonna add some of this pure coconut milk. So as you can see here, I'm gonna add a little, not much. Probably 3 teaspoons guys. Yes. So I just had this. And next I'm gonna add this coconut milk as well. I'm gonna add 1 tin, 1 whole tin. Guys, and then next I'm gonna add the ackee, spurchy ackee. Yeah, 1 can. So I'm adding 1 can of ackee, spurchy ackee. Alright guys, I'm gonna let that cook for like 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna add all these vegetables. So as you can see what's going on guys. Yeah, so let it cook for like 10 minutes. And then I add the rest of the ingredients. See? Okay guys, I'm also gonna add some Maggi, season it up. Some Maggi. Also gonna add some salt. Not much salt guys. Also gonna add some garlic powder. Not much. I'm also gonna add some onion powder, just to season the pot guys. Yep, looking low. But not least guys, I'm adding a little bit of cayenne pepper. Not much. Alright guys, about that much. And then I'm going to stir it up. So right now guys, I'm gonna add all the ingredients. See, as you can see here, we have the onion, the okra, scallion, thyme, green scotch bonnet pepper, yellow scotch bonnet pepper, we have red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and we're all gonna add that to the pot this moment. Just like that guys. All of that in it, smelling so delicious. Ready? Look at that guy, look at that color. Yeah, look at that color. Looking lovely. So what I'm gonna do now guys, in the meantime, I'm gonna just wash the rice and then I'm gonna add the rice afterwards. Okay guys, I'm adding about this bowl of rice. You can cook with whatever amount of rice you want to cook with. I'm gonna cook with that amount at this moment. So I'm gonna wash the rice before I put it in the pot. Just finished washing the rice guys, so I'm gonna add the rice into the pot. Looking lovely, look at that guys. Yep, you're just gonna stir it around guys. Just stir it in just like that. Looking lovely, look at that. Wow, looking beautiful. It's gonna be very delicious. Oh yes guys, you could call this seasoned rice, as well as, guys, you could call this seasoned rice. YouTubers, look at that, looking lovely. So I'm gonna let that cook for like 15-20 minutes, probably less. Lovely, guys, look at that. Wow. Okay, guys, look at that. All done. Look at that, looking so delicious. Check that out, guys. Yes, that's the finished product. Yes, we could call it Ital or seasoned rice. Ital is vital. Check that out, guys. Remember to like, subscribe for more video. Like, subscribe, and share for more video. Please leave a comment. Peace. I'm out.